Facts about birds. A bird's eye takes up about 50% of its head. Our eyes take up about 5% of our head. Birds live worldwide and range in size from the 5.5 centimeters bee, hummingbird, 0 to the 2.8 meters ostrich. There are more than 18,000 bird species in the world. They flock together to protect themselves. Birds evolved from a group of dinosaurs called theropods. This group is the same one that the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex belonged to. Birds use energy at high levels and therefore have high metabolic rates. Although birds evolved from dinosaurs that had teeth, birds do not have teeth. They have ridges that help them grip their food. Birds act as pollinators, transferring seeds and nutrients as they fly from one region to another.